Architecture, Construction and Engineering. That's Acetech, Asia's largest exhibition dedicated to the infrastructure industry in India. Deemed the third largest exhibition across the world, Acetech returned once more with the path-breaking 10th edition, featuring a power-packed combination of brands, ideas and personalities who contributed extensively to India's infrastructure and technology development. Acetech commenced events on a high note with the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Honorable Devendra Fadnavis, inaugurating the event.
I would like to congratulate Acetech, which is a initiative to bring together the entire real estate industry, the big players, all stakeholders in the industry are here today. Whatever deliberations you have, I would like to assure that based on those deliberations, the government will also be keen to work with you, because I think now is a time when the economy demands that every single stakeholder participates in the process of development. There was a time when we were talking about inclusive development, but I think we have to graduate to next level. It need not be just inclusive. It has to be participative. Because when we say inclusive, it is something that I plan and I include you. I think now is a time when we participate.
In its 10th year, Acetech excelled in showcasing the best brands through absolute quality and originality. Before the brands, however, the impetus was laid on prominent industrialists who were seen giving their views and discussing matters critical for India's growth.
Whilst there may be or may not be as much cash involved at the primary sales level, certainly there is cash involved on two aspects of the real estate. One is when there is an acquisition of land from private individuals, and the second is on the secondary sales. What do you think is going to be the impact of cash getting sucked out of the system on these two sectors within the real estate industry?
I don't think it's a surgical strike. It is a planned surgery. I think our economy was sick. It needed that surgery. And I guess our Prime Minister has really done a planned surgery. If you jog your memory a bit, you will realize that he first pushed in this, Jan Dhan Yojana, where he forced people to have open accounts. He pushed people to open bank accounts. After that, he came back with this declaration scheme.
BDI, yes.
And only after that did he decommission this 500 and 1,000 rupees. So he literally gave an opportunity to people to do that.
The issue is not at the middle or the top level. We're dealing with Chief Minister or the high AIS officers, the bureaucrats. Fine, you talk on merit, you give your presentation, they accept it on merit. But execution at the grassroots level, without naming which institutions, particularly the planning authorities, there is, no matter how much you digitize, etc., there's a lot of scope for interpretation of DC rules, lot of scope for getting special concessions, even with the rationalization. And the biggest risk is not at time of getting CC, the biggest risk is time of getting OC. That's when all your money is invested.
When we studied architecture in the late 80s and early 90s,
Acetech not only covered the physical aspects but also looked into the thought process behind the same. Concurrent sessions were conducted across different halls that focused on interiors, exteriors and the creative process.
Normally we have to go to Milan to see all the choices of the world and the latest designs and other things. Today it's available over here. So I think that's fascinating to see right here in Mumbai. We have an exhibition of the best in the world. And it's nice that they're able to bring everybody here together so we don't have to travel far in order to see the best designs and creations in the building industry.
I think it's fantastic, makes you feel proud to be an Indian standing here. Look at the entire presentation of the products, the lineup of the products is truly global. When you come to Acetech, you feel, yes, you are in an international fair.
I realize there's a lot of change going on in India and there's a lot of interest, but it sounds like a huge event, and I'm sure that there's a wide coverage of all of the construction systems and materials, which I'm looking forward to seeing. Yes.
I think it's a platform which at one location gives you a lot of information, a lot of product information, and it's also a very good interactive platform for people to get together. So it's a combination of product and interaction.
It's a knowledge factory, and it's very helpful for every architects, builders, anybody who is there in the building trade, design trade.
Acetech has always created spaces for enabling interactive engagement between industry experts and young passionate enthusiasts. Walk the Talk, a famous Acetech platform, did exactly that.
As architects, we have to prove ourselves, be different.
Architects, engineers and several others enlighten young audiences with their inputs and back-in-the-day ideas on simpler yet durable innovation within the infrastructure industry.
I think the ACE team is doing an excellent job. It's been growing and is growing wild, I think.
Acetech provides the apt platform for manufacturers, suppliers and innovators to exhibit their products, services and technologies. Across 6 halls, exhibits were laid out on display to attract prospective clients and to create long-term partnerships with them. From tiles to textures, marbles to kitchenware, office decor to home environment, Acetech showcased the best brands across categories.
India being a developing nation, and the quality of products, awareness, etc. is extremely high. A lot of traveling which happens, a lot of architects of international repute are working today in India, and a lot of Indian architects, developers travel across for fairs which are world renowned. Everybody has become extremely picky about what products they use, how sustainable they are, how green they are, how does it benefit the life. Whatever is happening in Delhi right now in terms of smog and pollution, etc., is being very noticed by various individuals, what hazards it brings to the health. So basically, the awareness which Acetech is bringing in terms of good products, services, quality, innovation is actually the push which is coming from the user for the first time. So if user is more educated, it's going to actually force the practitioners, and it's going to help practitioners to be able to match and make this work, because both the sides, the person who's pushing a good innovative product and the buyer who actually is aware and wanting the product, basically we end up both educating both and making them meet.
We have the latest wiring devices which are switch and sockets. We also have the automation, the entire panel, the experience, the setup which you are seeing here. We've launched new DBs which is on display here again. So in a nutshell, everybody can get a feel and touch about Legra products when you come to our stall.
नए प्रोडक्ट में हमारा इस बार जो स्लैब हम लोगों ने लॉन्चिंग किया है, जिसमें 2 मीटर बाय 1 मीटर का जो स्लैब प्रोडक्ट है वो हमने लॉन्चिंग किया है, और दूसरा हमारा मीटर बाय मीटर का डबल चार्ज का जो नया प्रोडक्ट है उसमें मल्टी रेंज है, जिसमें 80-80 डबल चार्ज और मीटर बाय मीटर डबल चार्ज, उसमें जो नए डिज़ाइंस वगैरह है वो हम लोगों ने इस बार इंट्रोड्यूस किया है.
Particularly in this Acetech 2016, we are showcasing our 3 new range which we are producing in India. One is the 120 by 80 Lumira, the huge range around 30 SKUs. Then we have got our 60 by 60 range of GVT products, and then we have got wooden planks. So they are from India, and then we have plenty of products coming from our parent company UAE. Like for example, these are the anchor wood, and you have seen the huge slabs of 8 feet by 4 feet and 10 feet by 4 feet. So this is something what we are talking about, signature product which RAK can manufacture, nobody else can manufacture.
It is indeed a big privilege to be in Acetech. This is our 4th year participation with Acetech directly. And this year, of course, we have expanded our base. We have taken Delhi also, as Bangalore also. So we know that with Acetech we have grown proportionately, because Bombay has been a epicenter of almost all activities regarding marketing, sales and all. And we have done of course, Acetech has done a credible job. We are compatible to Acetech because we are very passionate about our things, what we do, and so also Acetech. So it's a good partnership, I would say, with Acetech. And we continue with other cities like Delhi, Bangalore next year as well. So we know what we are doing with our product.
We always think that when we go to an exhibition, we better show something new, so everything you see here is new. So it's not partially launched even, so we're trying to get some feedback from our customers, what they think about the product. And what half the stand is all about is complete interior solutions. So we're looking here from your bathroom, your kitchen, to sliding, lighting, kitchen appliances, everything you could possibly want in an environment, in an interior environment, is here to be seen.
This is a great platform, one to showcase our new launches, the entire range, then interact with the referral community as well as end consumer. And this also gives a platform to us to get our trade partners and kind of showcase them various ranges, various products, which in normal sense is very difficult. On design front, this Acetech challenges us every year to keep improving and outperform ourselves.
Curates, which is a Kajaria diversification into sanitary and faucet, and we have been participating in Acetech for last 6 years in sanitary and faucet. Besides, Kajaria tiles had been right throughout. We keep launching our new products here. This year also we have launched many tiles, and we have launched a couple of faucet ranges. This has become a launching pad for us all the year. Bombay and Delhi especially. We have launched one range of Edge here, and then we are launching another range of faucet series in Delhi also. I would say that this is a good platform for us to encash entire country ports in Bombay, and this becomes a very good leverage to ride on, and we make our network. Today, Curates especially is made out of Acetech.
To appreciate the efforts put in by exhibitors for innovation and originality, a panel of experts were on the move to judge the best stands put up at Acetech 2016. The Grandstand jury members moved through stalls and crowds to find and felicitate the winners of the Grandstand Awards.
We are basically dealing the tiles, but it is more or less completely replacement of the marble nowadays. And we have the portfolio of the product that are more or less both are suitable for the domestic as well as the international market. Since last 2 years, we are moving to the international standards, and also the products range and products designs are also changed as compared to last 2 years. So now industry is moving to the bigger size and bigger products, replacing the Italian marbles and all. So the product scenario is totally changed in the last 2 years, and we are also having all type of products, complete portfolio of the Indian markets as well as the international market.
We are the company who are making switches and home automations. We make wires and cables and all the new lifestyle products. Our company basically are more into the innovation part, looking to make the life more easier and simplified with all the USP of the products. So basic brand is 4-5, designed for the 4 walls and inspired by the 5 sensors. So whatever everything you see in our booth is basically everything installed in the wall. Whether it can be a radio installed in the wall, whether it's a clock installed in the wall, or the music system installed in the wall.
The exhibition is very nice. Here we are exhibiting our all new range of imported marble and our 90-degree stone, which is a very new division where we are displaying our new textures on our Indian stones, whether granite, sandstone, quartzite. It's a new way of looking at the stone. Now, our expectations are that all the major architects, consumers, builders, they are able to, we are able to showcase them our new arrivals and our texture designs. And that is our aim, so that they get updated about the latest stones available in the market.
Serra is well-known brand. It's a household name across the country. What we have displayed here is Esvia, the Italian designer sanitaryware, which we have launched in India recently. We also displayed Serra tiles, which is a newer one. Serra sanitaryware has been there in the market for the last 36 years. We also have displayed here Serra faucets.
We have some unique solution for digital innovations like screen outside, inside, and suppose a touch table. But we have some architectural table. So if suppose you are talking about architectural things, then we have like a digital interactive table. So it is first time in the world, right? And we invent by me. And second one is we have a very good solution for home and building. That is called healthy living space. If suppose we can put it whole our technology inside of one house, and somebody can go to living inside of this whole house, then his health will be increased day by day.
Pidilite is a company in adhesives, waterproofing, sealants, coatings, and industrial chemicals. Dr. Fixit, our brand, is extremely well known in the marketplace with regard to waterproofing solutions. And what we have on offer are comprehensive end-to-end solutions where we offer design services, supplies, and also occasionally for complex projects take up execution requirements through our group companies. So we offer complete end-to-end solutions and warranties, which is unique to India.
10 years from 2006 to 2016, Acetech has revolutionized the world of design. With state-of-the-art brands to unveiling walls of the future, from the architect's mind to the student's canvas, Acetech has once again outdone expectations, making it the arena for ace excellence. When we return, we exclusively bring you the Acetech Alpha Awards. Stay tuned.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
The ET Acetech Alpha Awards was a star-studded night featuring opening acts from some of India's famous celebrity faces. This gala event saw the creme de la creme of the construction, architecture and engineering industry being honored and felicitated for their excellent contribution towards the infra industry.
All right. As they say, it's time for our first award this evening. This is for the Best Architect Residential Project for the Standalone Home category. And the winner is...
The award goes to Malik Architects for residence at Alibag.
Congratulations! Well done, sir.
Our next award is for Best Architect Residential Project for the Multi-Home category.
And the winner is...
Very, very dear friends, Seema and Zari.
Up next is the award for Best Architect Hospitality Project. And the winner is...
Surat Anjali Associate.
Thank you, sir. Well done. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
To present the awards for the Best Architect Commercial Project, we'd like to welcome on stage Mr. Jayant Jain, Managing Director, GM Modular, and Mr. Chintan Sheth, Managing Director, Sheth Developers, to kindly come up and do the honors, please.
The next award is for the Best Architect Commercial Project in the Individual Unit category. And the winner is...
The winner is Rajan J. Bartley Boy Consultants.
Whoa! And now we have the award for Best Architect Commercial Project in the multi-unit category. And the winner is...
The Best Architect Commercial, Radius Developers.
Moving on, may I request Babita Krishnan, Head Business Development and New Initiatives, ABEC, to talk about our next award.
It's my privilege to introduce the first ever Alpha Lifetime Achievement Award that will be given to an industry veteran who has had tremendous contribution in building the current face of the design and build industry. Please put your hands together for the young and dynamic Mr. R.K. Somani, Chairman and Managing Director, HSIL Limited.
Well, now as we move on to the prestigious Alpha Awards for the Best Interior Designers, let us welcome on stage Mr. Rohan and Ravi Ramchandani to do the honors and felicitate our winners, please.
Hello everybody, hope everybody's enjoying. The Best Interior Design, Residential, goes to Hiren Patel Architects for Able and Serene.
Whoa, congratulations!
Up next, we have the Best Interior Designer for the Commercial Project category.
The Best Interior Design, Commercial, goes to De Facto Architectural Solutions Private Limited for Liber India Private Limited.
And the last award in this category goes out to the Best Interior Designer for the Hospitality Project category. And
Best Interior Design for Hospitality goes to Josmo, Wild India Camps Private Limited. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rohan and Mr. Ravi Ramchandani, for felicitating our lovely awardees tonight. We kindly request you to take your seats, and now we proceed to our next set of awards. May we please have on stage Ms. Sapna Swar, Vice President, BMW Infinity Cars, Mr. Falgun Shroff, and Mr. Purav Mehta, Managing Partners, Sources Unlimited, Mr. Amar Parekh, Managing Director, Arihant Mattresses, and Mr. Ashok Chajjar, CMD, Arihant Superstructures Limited.
gentlemen, our next set of awards goes out to the Build and Development Structural Design categories. And first up, we have the award for the Best Developer in the Residential Project category. And
for the Best Developer Residential, Ekta World Private Limited for Ekta, California.
Whoa, well done, sir.
Alpha Award goes out to the Best Developer in the Commercial Project category.
Award goes to Amnora Town Center, City Reality and Development Private Limited.
And our final Alpha Award this evening will be presented for the Best Structural Design.
The best design of the city where I live, Navi Mumbai, for Citco Exhibition Business Center by Citco Limited to Shirish Patel and Associates.
And that concludes our awards for this evening.